SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, is a powerful software suite widely used for statistical analysis, data management, and data visualization. Known for its user-friendly interface, SPSS provides tools suitable for both beginner and advanced statisticians. Here's an overview of its interface and navigation. Interface. The SPSS interface is organized to streamline the data analysis process. Upon opening SPSS, the data view is typically displayed, which resembles a spreadsheet and allows users to input, manipulate, and view raw data. Each row represents a case or an observation, and each column corresponds to a variable. There is also a variable view, accessible by toggling tabs at the bottom of the window, where users define the attributes of each variable, such as name, type, label, and measurement scale, nominal, ordinal, or scale. The menu bar at the top contains various commands. It includes standard menus like File, Edit, and View, as well as statistical options like Analyze for conducting tests and modeling, Graphs for creating charts, and Transform for manipulating data, example, computing new variables or recording values. SPSS also includes specialized modules such as regression and advanced statistics. Navigation. SPSS's navigation is designed to be intuitive. Users can access most features via drop-down menus, but for frequent or advanced tasks, the dialog boxes provide additional customization. For example, when performing a statistical test, a dialog box will appear, allowing the user to specify variables, options, and outputs. The output viewer is another key component, displaying results of analyses in a hierarchical tree structure. Users can easily navigate through tables, charts, and statistical outputs, which are displayed in separate panes. Finally, SPSS supports syntax-based navigation for more advanced users. This allows for the automation of analyses using syntax commands, significantly improving efficiency for repetitive tasks. In sum, SPSS offers an accessible interface and navigation system that facilitates both simple data manipulation and complex statistical analysis.